and welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ. And as you might be aware that we are following this trail mix to preparation for Salesforce Sales Cloud Consultant Credential, and we have completed earlier this module that is user adoption metrics, and now we will be doing this module that is sales performance strategies. So let's open it up and I'll start this. So in this we will be talking about what are the key performance indicators and how should we differentiate between activity and outcome measures and how come different measures work together. So let's talk about it. So what is the KPI? KPI is nothing but a key performance indicator which is defined by that is what is guiding salespeople's behavior and how much it is behaving their behavior means how much it is guiding them to gain more revenue for the company. So if you might be talking about it's nothing but quota that is how much money a sales rep is expected to bring in a company in a given year. So if we talk about activity and outcomes, what are those? Activity is that KPIs that focus on the actions salespeople do daily, weekly, or monthly to bring in the quota, and outcomes what is the end result their actions are getting back to the company. So activities can be defined as calls made, email sent, meetings set, voicemails, IP logins, on-site visits, and webinar attendance in a set period of a time. But if we talk about outcomes, what are these? That is revenue, how much money a sales rep has booked, attainment, that is how close is a percentage a sales rep is to meeting their revenue goal, new logos, newly signed customers, leads generated, that is inquiries as a result of outbound sales activities. It can be defined as that is salespeople are reaching out to new people and they have some inquiries. So those are the leads generated. Lead follow up time, that is how long it takes a sales rep to follow up on a new inquiry. Lead conversion rate, that is if lead is becoming into a customer, that is a lead conversion rate. Retention, what percentage of customers remain customers year over year. Churn, that is what percentage of renewal revenue is lost each year from lost customers or customer reducing their purchases or subscription. And the last is customer lifespan, that is how long a renewable customer has been with a business. So now let's talk about iterate. Iterate it nothing that is it should align with your customers existing processes. That is if we are holding any quarterly business reviews, so we can use these as opportunity to adjust activity measures and present them to sales leadership. We should have activity and outcomes work together only. So, if a sales rep consistently achieves activity measure throughout the quarter, they will ultimately achieve the outcome measures as well. So, these all are nothing major. Let's come to the quiz. First is how should activity measures relate to outcome measures? So, first option is they shouldn't, they should be treated separately. No, activity relate the outcomes like however activity is going on it will determine that the how the outcome will be coming. Sorry, let's come to the quiz again. Second is activity measures make the money, outcome measures report on the money. I don't think so. Third is activity measures can be considered as steps to achieving outcome measures. Yes, activity measures motivate sales rep to work harder than outcome measures do. So no. Second question is when change to KPIs are needed, what can help? First is an outline of what KPIs can be changed easily and what should remain the same. Okay. Second is clear and intentional messaging about the change tied to sales team's motivation. Yes. Third is changing all the KPIs early and often salespeople will enjoy the challenge. No. So A and B should be the correct answer. Let's check. So it's correct. Let's move on to the next unit. Incentivize sales team. So incentive, you are aware incentives are nothing just to motivate any employee or salespeople to do their job more greatly and to put in their more effort. So then they can be motivated and putting their effort more often. So there are two types of incentives, extrinsic and intrinsic. So most incentives in organization are extrinsic, that is which is something tangible like money or material good. but some are intrinsic, a feeling of accomplishment or feeling integrated into a company's culture and connected to its goal. So we need to find the right incentives. It can be cash or commission, material or cash related goods such as phones, tablets, extra paid vacations, or home goods. Otherwise, social recognition, that is praising the employee in front of the organization, that could be it. Mind the other side of recognition, that is if any employee is not doing their performance very effortlessly, if they are having a low performance rate, so they should also receive feedback so they can improve their performance. Let's come to the quiz. First is, every sales organization needs to choose between intrinsic and extrinsic incentives. Not choose, I guess, so I will choose false. Second is, low performing sales teams members should be highlighted on the leaderboard. No. Second, given feedback. Yes. Third, enabled to succeed. So I'm not sure what is enabled to succeed mean, but yes. So B and C should be the correct answer. Let's check. So yes, we are done with sales performance strategies, and in our next video, we will be targeting sales cloud rollout strategy, in which we will be creating a blueprint for a successful sales cloud implementation. So if you have any doubt, or if you want me to change my approach, or if you have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and thank you. Stay tuned.